Is this the most dramatic transformation in luxury sedans this year? The 2025 Audi A5 has retired its coupe and convertible siblings, and what we're left with might surprise you. Today we're getting our first hands-on look at Audi's bold new direction. The first thing you notice about the new A5 is its imposing presence. Audi has stretched this car in every dimension, making it longer, wider, and taller than before. Standing next to it, you immediately sense this isn't just a minor update, but a complete reimagining of what an Audi sedan can be. Starting at $47,000, this new A5 effectively replaces both the A4 and the previous A5 Sportback in one fell swoop. This is part of Audi's new strategy where even numbered models will eventually become electric vehicles, while odd-numbered ones like this A5 carry the torch for internal combustion, at least for now. Under the hood, Audi offers several powertrain options globally. In Europe, there's an entry-level 148 horsepower 2-liter turbo that will get you to 62 in 9.8 seconds. Step up to the 201 horsepower version, and that time drops to 7.8 seconds. They even offer a punchy diesel option making 201 horsepower that'll hit 62 in just 7.7 seconds, matching the Mercedes C220 diesel. Sliding into the driver's seat reveals what might be the most impressive cockpit in its class. The curved glass panel houses an 11.9-inch digital instrument cluster that flows seamlessly into a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen. The graphics are crisp, responses are quick, and the whole setup feels like it's been pulled straight from a concept car. Top trim models even offer a third 10.9-inch screen for the passenger. It's positioned in a way that only the passenger can see it while the car is moving, a clever touch that prevents driver distraction. This kind of thoughtful engineering is exactly what we've come to expect from Audi, but it's still impressive to see in person. One of the biggest improvements is in practicality. The trunk now offers 26 cubic feet of storage, significantly more than its predecessor and beating many competitors in its class. Rear passengers finally get decent legroom thanks to that stretched wheelbase. Sitting in the back, I can confirm there's genuine space for adults now, even with taller drivers up front. It's clear Audi has been listening to customer feedback. In the States, we're getting the range topper, a 268 horsepower 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder with a 48-volt hybrid system. Power flows through Audi's excellent dual-clutch transmission to all four wheels via the legendary Quattro system. While I haven't had the chance to put it through its paces on a proper drive yet, the specs suggest this should deliver that perfect blend of performance and efficiency that Audi is known for. The tech story continues with standard features that would have been optional extras just a few years ago. Wireless phone charging, navigation, and a power liftgate are all included. The Premium Plus trim adds an excellent Bang & Olufsen sound system that promises to turn your favorite playlist into a concert experience. The materials throughout the cabin maintain Audi's reputation for quality. Soft touch surfaces abound, and the design feels modern yet timeless. The ambient lighting adds a premium touch at night, with a particularly clever strip running under the windscreen that changes color to indicate turn signals. Looking ahead to 2025, Audi plans to introduce plug-in hybrid versions, promising around 60 miles of electric range. That's impressive considering the current competition barely manages 35 miles. The new A5 faces stiff competition from the BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe and Mercedes C-Class. But from this first look, Audi has created something that stands apart from the crowd. This isn't just an evolution of a luxury sedan, it's a statement about where premium cars are headed. Sophisticated without being flashy, technical without being overwhelming, and practical without being boring. From what I can see in this first look, the 2025 Audi A5 has the potential to reset the standard in its class. I can't wait to get behind the wheel for a proper drive soon and share that experience with you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.